How to lock groups in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can lock different tabs at once. First of all, open the application. So here on the top, you can see different items or tabs that are getting open. Now, if you want to group them all, here on the right top, you'll be able to see this three dot icon. Simply tap on this three dot icon and here you'll be able to find the option called lock group. So simply tap on lock group and as you can see it has been locked. So after that you won't be able to move it easily unless you unlock it. So as you can see they have been grouped and later if you want to remove them you must ungroup them or directly remove both of them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.